Hello there and welcome to the Weekly Outlook. Just going through the calendar and having a look at what we're trading next week. There's only actually two events that I'm really interested in, and that is the MPC rate statement for the Bank of England on Wednesday, and then on Tuesday morning, early morning, 5:30, we've got the RBA rate statement. Now, let's just go over to the RBA. Sorry, and on Friday, the Canadian dollar is the one that I'm interested in. So the pound, I'm not expecting that to be market moving, as everything is expected to stay the same. But let's bring up the chart there for the Aussie dollar first of all. Okay, so we can see we had the big spike up where the US dollar sold off after the non-farm payroll, and then people started to take profit as we came into the long weekend. I do expect this to return down to the lower levels there at 7.533. This is due. This is where the market had priced in a rate cut, and there's 78% now chance of the RBA cutting rates due to the weak Chinese growth and the Australian economy growing below the trend there. So we are expecting this to return to 7.5. At 7.5 there, we're going to see what happens, but that's going to be my first target. It could possibly fall to 7.3. We're going to see how the data comes out in the future as it falls down to the 7.5 area. But we are going to get, in the second half of the year, we will be looking to buy the Australian dollar back. But at the moment, we're still bearish. We have taken a sell at 7.661 on Friday. At the moment, it may well pull back up to that 7.650 area. We've got some resistance there, so this is probably the area where I'm going to be looking to either add to my positions, or if you're not in the trade, where you could get into this and trade it back down to 7.500. Okay, the other one that we're interested in is Canadian dollar. On Friday, we've got unemployment and unemployment change, and expected not to come in any different. However, expected to be a slight increase in jobs. The data has been okay for Canada. We've had a good GDP report. Employment did fall on the last reading. So what we're going to be looking for is potentially this to rally up in the week as people take profits, and it returns back due to the weak oil to around about 125.50. And then if that employment level comes in better than expected, then I'd expect the Canadian dollar to strengthen again, the Canadian dollar to strengthen against the US, and for it to sell off back down to that 12400 level. Don't forget, we've got that very large area of support at the moment. If I take that to the daily, we've got a very large area of consolidation going on at the moment, where it keeps trading between. Although there is a very slight rising trend line on these lows, each time it dips down to here, I'm looking to buy it back with potential for this to reach the 1.3 level in the coming weeks or months. Okay, so I hope you can make some pips from those. Just those two currency pairs looking to trade this week on Tuesday and Friday. I hope you have a good week and make some pips. Thanks for watching.